Hello, this is Lance Cleveland. I'm going to go over importing a CSV file into MySLP Plus. In this case, we have an additional data field called region that was sent by a client. This is from Purity Organic. And I'm going to show you how to also track this additional field. Normally, it will be ignored. Anything other than the base fields, name, address, city, state, zip, that sort of thing, are ignored. In this case, I want to add region to my location data. The best way to do that is to go under Advanced Options. I like to use advanced options for any of the location importing. It has more features, is a little bit more robust than the basic interface. The basic interface will work for the simplest files. If you have more advanced features, additional headers, you want to go under advanced options, locations, to do your import from here. But before I get started, the first thing I want to do is under advanced options, go to general, and I want to go to data and enable contact fields. That's going to add a bunch of extra fields. Don't do this if you don't need the extra fields. It does add some processing overhead. It will slow down the locator a little bit on your site. So only enable this if you want the additional fields. For example, in this case, I want the locations to have a region associated with them. So once I turn that on and save it, if I come back to the locations table, you can see the additional fields are added out here at the end. And you can see contact name, office phone, facilities, year established, county, district, and region in this case. That's the one I'm interested in. So there's region is available for me to do the import. So now under advanced options, under locations tab still, I'm going to go to import. And I'm going to do the import from here. You're going to want to make sure that if you're adding new locations or you don't have a latitude and longitude in your data file as a column, you want to leave this unchecked. You don't want to skip the geocoding. I like to clear my messages so I can see what happened on each file import. And if the name, address, city, state, and zip match exactly with something else in the file, it will update data. That's good if you're adding descriptions or hours and things like that. In my case, I'm going to leave update in place, and that will allow it to update existing records if there's a match, or if not, it will add new records. So I'm going to do this, pick the file that the client has sent me, and I'm doing the import. Takes a couple seconds to do it, and then you'll see how many lines were read from the CSV file and then how many locations were added. In this case, I've imported the file previously, so it didn't update anything. It's an exact match. I can go to list, and I can check my work here. I'm going to look up one of the ones that is in the file, and I should see when this comes up, not only the helps if I spell it correctly. Autocorrect is fixing that for me. There we go. It's got the latitude and longitude encoded. It's got the data from the CSV file, and in this case, the region has been added as well because it had that header in the file, and I enabled contact fields. So that is how you import using regions with MySLP Plus. If you have any additional questions, please shoot us an email, support@storlocatorplus.com. As always, thank you for watching.